In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a conversation on Messenger from both sides. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Messenger app and then get into a conversation. Now, if we want to delete a particular message in a conversation, we just need to long press on it, then hit more, then tap it unsend, and on the next step we can choose whether we would like to unsend it for everyone or just for us. I'm gonna tap it unsend for everyone, and then to continue we can just tap at OK. However, if you would like to delete the entire conversation, you can easily do so as well. To do that, long press on a conversation and then tap at delete. To confirm it, tap at delete again, and what that will do, that will delete the entire conversation from our chats. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.